excited. This is the first one that I've received with this new look, this Boxycharm Ipsy box. So excited about this, and I remember it's some good stuff. So let's see what they give us here. So this looks like it just, has a little bit of information about maybe what's going on this month. So let's keep going and just toss that aside. And let's see what we have here. So the first item is upside down. Okay, so this is Sweet Dreams Collagen Glow Gold Eye Mask. Yes, I remember this. I really like this one. I was really excited. I can't remember everything that's in there, but I remember when I saw it, a while back, a week or whatever ago. It was good. So you put these under your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes and then discard after use and gently pat. So this is a set of 5 individually packaged gold foil eye masks infused with camellia oil, 2% niacinamide, 10 hyaluronic acids, 17 amino acids, 5 peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, aloe extract, and pumpkin extract. It will nourish and smooth, and it has a retail of $20. And the next one is the Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser, Brighten and Renew by Rodeo. So I am really excited about this one. You just gently massage it in and wash your face. Avoid the eyes, and it's a good size. It's a 4.6 fluid ounce, and it's vitamin C. So gosh, Ipsy did great this time. I am loving this box. I remember I loved everything. And it's a gel to foam cleanser with glycolic and lactic acids and blood orange water to help gently exfoliate and smooth your skin. And it does retail $49. Yeah. All right, so the next is a Matcha Magic Smoothing Hair Treatment. It has hemp seed and algae. It's Palmoleo and Company 3.3 fluid ounces. I'm really excited to try this one as well. It said you put it in the fridge ahead of time for about 10 minutes, and then you apply a shampoo and conditioner as normal after 30 minutes. So fridge for 10, and then you keep it on your hair for 30 minutes. It retails $29.98, and it will leave your hair silky and pampered. It's infused with a powerful blend of green tea and hemp seed oil, and it will not weigh down your curls. So excited to try this. What do we got here? Yes, it's a Silk Protein Primer. Yes, I'm so excited, by Kat Berkey, and this is a 30 milliliter size. If I ever wear anything on my face, which mostly I don't, I use a primer. These primers do amazing. This is probably going to be so nice. It's a Silk Protein Primer. It says a satiny, airy, cushioning primer that helps keep makeup in place and extend your look throughout the day. Also has mineral sun filters that offer effective protection against aging, UV damage on your skin, and it has botanical hyaluronic acids infused with silk amino acid proteins that hydrate and plump the skin to prevent dehydration lines and smooth the appearance of existing fine lines and wrinkles, and does retail $54. And the last amazing product is ID AZ Dermastic Gold Fit Mask. Okay, so this one is a 2-piece mask, and you leave it on between 20 and 30 minutes. It helps to whiten and anti-wrinkle. Looks like it only has 3 masks in here, and it has all this Asian writing on the back, which the ingredients are not, but of course there's just too many ingredients to go with. But the Golden Honey are the ultimate power couple, and it does have a retail of $39 for the 3-piece. So let me get a total. So that's $39, and then the eye masks, the Sweet Dreams, is $20. Okay, and facial cleanser, vitamin C, is $49. And then the hair was $29.98 for the hair treatment. And what do we got left? The primer. And then the primer is $54. All right, so that is $151.98 in value. And of course, it was around $30 for all the products. So it's an amazing deal. Still loving my Ipsy Boxycharm now. I'm going to go ahead and put these 2 masks on under the eye and then all over the face. And I'll put a link in the description below if anyone's interested in anything, information about these products or signing up for Ipsy, checking it out. And as always, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.